Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Xavier Muller. I'm the founder of Herbicide Solution. So the reason why I started the company is because at home actually I used to clean the yard, but each and every the next week the weeds will grow again, as you can see here. So I decided, why don't I get a herbicide in order to spray the herbicide, which will allow the weeds to they will kill the weeds. So within 14 days the weeds will be like this for approximately like 3 to 6 months. So that's the reason I started this company, because it helps. Sometimes it looks like you don't want to clean the yard, especially by the paving. So this basically helps. If you just spray, and you will find the weeds will be like this at the end of 14 days. So that's the reason I started this company. So the services that we offer, we at the moment, since we are still small, we supply the product. We don't do the service at the moment because we are at shortage of the equipment. So we supply 5 liters of weed killer. It costs about 100 rand. We do deliveries. So that's how we supply. You can get a hold of us on Facebook, goes by Pro Herbicide Solutions. And you can get a hold of us on WhatsApp also. And the WhatsApp number is 060-964-0012. My name is Xavier, and I'm a township entrepreneur.